I'm waiting on you, Glenn. But yeah, this is
All right.
GeoGuessr,
Give me a sec.
Road to Champions, Champions League.
Wow.
And we are going live. I think it's Independence Day today. So yeah, big up um, my country, Jamaica. I'm wearing my shirt too. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Uh, ready. GeoGuessr.
All right. Testing one, two.
Yeah, I'm hearing you good.
Okay, good, good, good. And the microphone is right here. How I sound?
Yeah, you sound good to me.
Good. Testing Chrome audio now.
Mm.
Okay. All right. Greetings, stream. Another day.
Road to Champions.
Road to champion. Very good.
hmm
Um, Ready to get into goal three. Leaderboard ends today.
It says here, I'm still waiting on you.
Yeah, I know, I know. Give me a sec. Let me just pull up your thing. Oh, you have your video on this time.
Yeah, it's a
Okay,
face cam, face cam.
that's cool. That's cool. All right,
Mhm.
let's go.
We're going against what? Canada and Germany.
Hmm.
Europe.
Definitely
Visual
digital.
K. Which language is that?
I don't know.
Uh,
I need to learn EU better. Van Dank,
e-
Dichar.
Visual
I'm
K.
thinking like Sweden, low key.
I don't. I don't know. I think we should just pressure them with Europe or something. Mm,
Belgium. We're in Belgium.
I don't know the.
All right, I'm gonna go
Uh,
Brussels. You go Antwerp.
where is Antwerp? Is this Belgium? Belgium is which one again? What are they know? Oh, oh wow! So you're right. So how did you know? So that lang. How did you know it was Belgium?
The website .be.
Bel. Okay, this look like Africa or no?
Could be all
Mokomasis.
right. I see .lt.
No, this look
Mm,
Asian. This look Asian.
or IT. You know, I'm
It's
gonna
not
look back and
English. It's like a weird mocky
I'm
mass
gonna
or
be
something.
like, wow, I really should have known the country. This could
Mm.
be Lithuania or
Oh,
Italy. Italy.
this is not Italy. This is not Italy, bro.
IT
This is
IT is
Asian.
likely Italy. I need
What?
you to trust me.
Okay,
Right?
where's the Italy again? Oh, oh, that's
Go
so
either
weird.
north or south. I'm not exactly sure because the EU
This
plate is
is giving
there.
Italy vibes. So
Oh, it was Lithuania.
hold on,
You know,
IT is Lithuania. So you
I
saw
saw
that
an eye.
IT?
We'll watch my replay. Pretty sure it
Oh,
was an I, but it
I
could
don't
have
know
been
what
an L.
language this is. This is a weird. This is. I can't
It's
make
like
out the license
Russian, low
plate.
key.
Russia.
No EU plates. No EU plates equal Russia. But where? Where in Russia, you
Mm,
may ask? Oh, wait, that's UA.
UA
Oh
is
my
what?
God. What country is that?
UA.
And
It's not
Ukraine.
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 Is that UK? Well, oh no, UK wouldn't be.
Has to be Ukraine. So I'm gonna go Kiev. You can
Okay, where's
go,
another big part
I
there?
don't know, maybe Odessa or like
This is not coastal. Don't give me
here.
coastal vibes. Let's go central. Wow. Okay. No, they were good. Kiev. So what was it? UA? So UA is
Yeah,
Ukraine. Okay. Um
that look like the CN Tower.
Drokhoffner Hostrabo.
Oh, I guess it's not. Yeah, that's probably
Ah,
Germany. I'm feeling Germany here.
mm, I don't know. I do not know, bro.
Yeah, I'm feeling Germany here.
Joseph Melikar Gasse. Mm, I don't know. I feel like we're giving them too much time to. Oh, yeah.
All right, we'll have to just do some
Esgen.
smart hedges in Germany. I'm
So
gonna
you,
go
where's the
Berlin. You can go like
what's another big
Frankfurt
place?
or
So Frankfurt's
Munich
another
or
popular place.
between.
Oh no, Munich. I
Yeah,
know. Oh wait, where was this?
Austria.
Austria.
I mean, they also speak German, but I can't tell
Mm.
the two countries apart.
So which other countries speak German other than German? Nee?
Switzerland and Austria.
Oh, this is giving me some African vibes or something. Kind
I'll
of.
have to. Well, he's from Germany, so I guess he
No,
would
this is giving
know
Asian
that
actually.
it's Austria. Nah, bro. Actually, hold on.
Iglesia Batista
Sun to
Centro
the north. This is
Norte.
South America.
Padre
We're in South America.
Jose. Padre Jose.
South America for sure.
Where's Padre Jose? Um. Hmm. I don't know how
It's not
you.
giving Brazil
What makes you say not Brazil?
because the language doesn't look Portuguese.
Uh, Costa Portcon. Boy, I don't know, man. I'm lost. South
Me too.
America.
Yeah,
Let's
I'll
go
go
Central.
Peru. You go like Uruguay, like
What
somewhere
makes you
there.
say
Yeah.
Uruguay? Oh, oh
How did
wow.
they
See,
know? How did they
Santi.
know?
Hold on, that's Chile. Oh
That's
wow, we
crazy.
died. Oh damn. Mm-mm.
That's
Damn.
crazy. How did they know?
Mm, damn, bro.
Now let me see the replay. Wait, hold on.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Wait, what's his sea of? Oh, I didn't add
How
Justin on
did they
this, you know.
know?
Quantum gravity is Justin.
No. Justin is I don't know. I see ocean. Something something.
Mm.
I see ocean 659.
Mm,
I sent it to you on the disc.
mm, okay. Already.
Yeah.
Kind of want to try no move, yo, because like I feel like with no move, it's like you just have to, you just have to like use so little information and comes like some Sherlock Holmes level stuff. What this has shown me is that like I don't really know places. Like I'm legit looking at the map and I'm like, I don't know where this place is. I don't know where this place is, bro.
All right, we just need a good match.
Mm. Ready?
Mhm.
Ludwig Most Veg.
Plaza.
This is Europe. Try to see the. I can't really make out the plate. Just say white. No, I see the sea though. Okay, I see some mountains. On this give me like New Zealand.
No way, bro. It's on to the
Or
south. This is
Sweden.
Europe with the EU plates.
Oh, you saw EU plates.
Yeah. Well,
Hmm.
I glimpsed it. I'm not seeing them consistently though. I can't lie.
Hold on, look how.
Sun to the south, fortune.
Um,
This
what
could
does
be
sun to the
like
south mean? Like
we're in the
how?
northern hemisphere.
So if
Yeah,
this.
there are cars here with the EU plates, but not all of them have it.
Hold on, so if the sun is to the south, you're in the northern, and then the sun is to the north, you're in the southern hemisphere.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, okay. So I need to start doing that. I don't know, bro, because I feel like I've seen something like this. It gives me like this kind of coastal vibe. Europe.
Sometimes the sun will fool you, and
Could it be
sometimes it's
Iceland?
overcast.
Could it be
But
Iceland?
90% of the time, it's good. I'm thinking Iceland.
I've
All right, hold
I've
on.
seen this like I've played this
E6.
before and it was like a similar place and it was either Iceland
I think I think we're in Sweden.
or Sweden or Norway.
I found the E4. If I find E6,
Mm-hmm.
oh gosh, we're somewhere along E6, bro. El
E6.
Geseta
Wait,
tie hold.
when you say E6,
Look at
oh,
where I
you
put my
saw.
thing.
Oh, oh, okay. I don't. Well, I mean, they probably found that out too then. Okay. So I'll pick here. You
El
pick where you're
Geseta.
going.
Oh, hold on. I'm looking for the actual town name.
Oh, what's the name of this
E6 is a
town?
very long road. El Geseta and tie hold. Okay, let me reset.
Yo, how do you reset?
Press R on the keyboard. So mountains to the west,
Ludwig
north to the
Moss.
northwest, northwest, along E6. So this could be. How long is E6? Yo, E6 is a long road, bro. Elgeseter and Tyholt.
Kasparis Gate. Bro, I
E6
don't
goes
know.
into Oslo. All right, there's no time.
Yes.
Let's
Yes.
hedge.
Well,
I'm gonna go here. I
mm-hmm.
want you to go like here. Go there.
Okay.
Hedge there. Yeah. Along the east. Yeah. Good.
Mm. Oh,
Oh,
oh wow,
E6
you
went
were.
way up. E6
Oh
went all the way
wow.
up. I didn't.
What
I
the
didn't see
heck?
that.
Oh wow, that's like a super long highway. Hold on. This gives me European vibes, kind of. I think I've seen somewhere like this before, like Italy.
Yes, Italy.
Okay.
So the plates have blue on either side.
Mm.
This looks like a Rome still,
But
but
Italy
let's
is
see if we
known
can.
for that, like just having blue plates.
Blue plates on either side. So
I think
mainly
they're
white with blue on either side.
so they're like the only country in Europe with that.
There's one more, but 90% of the time is Europe.
It's a,
Roma is Rome, right?
I assume so. You
Yeah,
see
let's
something
just
say
go Rome,
Roma?
bro. Not waste any time. Yeah, go like here.
Hold on. What makes you say here?
Cause I see Roma on our bus. Oh, go like here, bro. Zoom out. Come on, go
Oh,
right
yo,
where I am, you know.
Miguel. Yo, I just looking at chat. Yeah, Miguel, I'm playing GeoGuessr, bro.
You should have zoom out a little more.
And I see. Oh wait,
Oh.
yeah. And then
All
I
right, if
see
I tell you
someone
to go
says
somewhere
Suki,
and you don't see my call out, then zoom out.
Suki
All right, so this is
Trio.
Germany, Austria, Vienna. I can't tell. So if you can
Wait, what?
help me. This is Germany, Austria, Vienna.
Germany. Us.
Dortmund. I think this is Dortmund.
Where is that? That's in Germany though. What
Yeah,
makes you
yeah.
say Dortmund?
Because that's this place called Dortmund or Copia Center. And why would they
But
name it that if it's not in Dortmund, right?
then where in Dortmund?
And I said the .de, so I know I'm in Germany.
DE?
Yeah,
De or dot
the
de?
Deutsch.
Oh.
I think in Germany,
Ooh. Okay.
de stands, or the German country Germany stands for Deutschland or something like that
Miguel
in German.
said every time I see clips of that one nigga guessing shit in like 2 seconds. Oh. Which one? Like another streamer, Miguel? Texim Bank.
I'll
You're
be
so
talking
hard
about Rainbow.
multitasking. Oh, he's like a known for GeoGuessr. Bro, I'm so lost. Just give
Rainbow
me
is the
European.
most popular GeoGuessr player in the world.
Oh,
He's not the
is he like
best,
really?
but he's the most popular. He's probably
Oh
like
yeah.
top 50 in the world.
Oh wow.
I
I
wouldn't
should
say
look
he's
at
good
one of
enough
their
for
games.
the World
Yo, no
Cup,
wait.
the
This
World
gives me.
Championships,
This isn't actually Europe. This is.
but he's really good.
Uh, it was
He's
giving
like
me.
one of the first to really. He's the guy that popularized the game.
Mm.
But if any
Yeah,
OG
Miguel
fans
said.
are in the YouTube,
He said, I
I
guess
feel
I'll
like it
just.
was really Geo, this other guy that was like one of the first to start playing GeoGuessr. Forgot his name.
Oh. Okay.
Geo Wizard, I think his name is. Yeah.
Mm.
But Rainbow really popularized it.
Okay, I'll check out his stuff after. Bro, I'm lost. I don't know. It was giving me Europe, but then it's like some of these
Europe,
buildings look more.
BG, not BG. Which country is that BG? Bulgaria. It's Bulgaria.
I said this. It's
We're in
You
Bulgaria.
saw that? Okay, we're
Yeah,
in.
I don't know
Wait,
the capital of
where's
Bulgaria. Is it
Bulgaria again?
Sofia? I want to go Sofia. Or is
I
it
think I
Plovdiv?
thought the game highlights the capitals.
Bro, I don't know the capital of this, you know.
I thought like
Plovdiv,
these.
Sofia looks like a bigger place. I want you to go far now. Beautiful.
Yeah, I think that's the capital. Though. I thought like the one. Yeah, the black dot. There's like a. You don't know when you're zooming in. There's like a. Well, not black dot, but like. Cause isn't Bucharest the capital of Romania?
Uh-huh. It has a black dot. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay,
Oh, yeah,
that's
that's
a
my
that's a
backyard,
good
bro. That's my
that's a good
backyard.
that's a good call out to say that the black dot resembles the capital. I didn't even mention that.
Yeah. Just give me Europe vibes.
Bro, we've been here. Not been here, but like we've been here in the game.
Yeah, it does kind of give me familiar. Like it's familiar.
We've been to this exact spot, but do I remember where it is? No, EU.
Boy, I'm kind of Sakura. It's a
It's a little
weird
French.
language. BNP
This could be Luxembourg, low
Paribas.
key.
Low
If you
dispon.
see that LU, it's done.
LU. Okay, let me look. That's what's that? Lithuania.
No, Luxembourg.
Oh.
See the Luxembourg or France?
Just hedge then.
Not really, not yet.
Hold on. De la Popular Banque. H&M.
It's France. All right, we're in France now. I see the
France is a
.fr.
big place. Oh, you saw it.
France
Okay.
is a big place.
I mean, I'm seeing it's like a look at this train or
Seems very
railway.
coastal though. Seems very
I see like a
coastal. I don't think
mountain in the
France
background though.
looks like this.
It's like looks like the big in the
Give
city.
me a couple minutes. I come in.
It don't look like in the city, bro. Like, oh, well,
All
there
right,
you
I
go.
would say go Nice
Wait,
because the
go
mountains are to the
Nice?
north, right?
So
Yeah.
Paris. Wait, what?
Go Nice.
Where's that?
Go here.
Oh, Monaco. Oh, yo, Damn, that's good, good. And Miguel said, I feel like this game, it's like if you really grind it out, you could get a pretty good idea of where places are generally located after. Yeah, it's a big part of like repetition. Cause like where is
Says
this?
giving
Africa?
Senegal. Giving Senegal is French.
Yeah, because I'm sure there's because I've just started playing Miguel and it's like I can just kind of look at that place and like it
Yeah,
just gives me
bro.
a vibe.
This is giving Senegal, bro.
But it's like we're in Senegal though. Oh,
Here, go
okay.
here.
Senegal is in Africa. Oh,
Like here.
here. So this
Yeah,
is the
all right.
capital or something?
Dakar, I think.
Oh yeah, it does look like the capital. I guess it's coastal, so they have lots of wharfs and stuff. Right?
Uh,
And I see Suki is a bot in the chat. Here is my Discord. I am a professional artist. Okay, sure. But yeah, Miguel, you play? You play GeoGuessr? Glenn actually convinced me here to like waste my money. Well, not waste. Spend money on this,
waste,
yo.
you know. I choose a waste because you keep losing.
Ah,
My car is in the game. Wow.
Frederick Hebel Casse Saint Leonard. Uh,
Same color, same year. EU plates.
uh, Sh-
Acropolis.
Shoregalis. It's like a, and I say, wait, the O's have the two dots over it. Which one is that again?
Beats me.
I think you said there was. Oh no, isn't there a language where you have two dots over it? And then the A also
Where's
has the two dots.
Where's GH33 when you need him?
Privatgrund. This looks like some kind of German something, bro. Yeah, just give me German vibes. Autobahn,
All
isn't that
right.
like a German thing?
Germany,
Einbahn.
Austria,
Oh,
Switzerland. I'm gonna go Germany. I want you to go between Austria and Switzerland, like right here. Must can get some
Liechtenstein.
points off of that.
Uh,
I really do need
damn,
to,
I was feeling Austria and I
bro.
was thinking we should have hedged Austria.
They got the
Oh, that's the
town.
backyard. Oh no. Guess they searched for it. Well, one of them is from Germany. Miguel said,
Mhm.
hell no, bro. I don't have time to do that. Was in time to play
Is this Miguel
GeoGuessr
from
or
UE or is this a Miguel that we don't know?
uh huh?
Is this is this a Miguel that we know?
Because I mean, yeah, it's my virgin. Bro, I don't know. Where is this? Bro, I
I'm
don't
gonna
even know
go
the
Senegal
this.
again.
No, this looks like
As in Dr. Miguel? As in Dr.
no,
Baker?
no.
Okay.
Bro, hold on. Oh, this
Bro,
looks. How did you know it was
why are you in
Senegal?
Europe?
I
Why are
don't
you
know.
in
I was
Europe, bro?
panicking. How did you know it was Senegal?
Look at where I guess, bro, if you don't know. And then
He
go from there.
said he did go UA, but not Med. Yeah, Miguel. Yeah.
It's
It's like
Arabic.
Asian.
Looking for the birds.
Wait, this looks like Dubai kind of. Look how
Yeah,
these
it could
high
be
rises,
Dubai.
bro. Yeah, Dubai. Where's Dubai again?
All right, you could go Dubai. I could go
Wait, show me where
Abu
bro. It's
Dhabi,
like I can't even look at it.
bro.
Oh wait, Dubai, Saudi
I need to
Arabia.
study,
Oh
bro. This man needs to
no,
study.
it's uni. Abu. Oh wait. Ah, Dubai.
You in Dubai? I'm gonna go Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi is the more developed one.
I honestly don't know. Sounds to
Hmm.
the south. Probably like here.
Which games are you playing now, Miguel? Ah, Dubai. Damn.
How are they closer? What the
Palm.
fuck? Sorry.
That oil money, bro. Boundary Road. This gives me Singapore vibes.
Hmm.
Yeah. Does Singapore speak English? This looks very green. Where's Singapore again? Show me.
Somewhere there.
Wait, what? Oh. If I think this is Singapore. It's very green and yup. That's damn. It was more further in though.
Good call on Singapore.
Yeah, I don't know. It was I think the green, but it looked really developed. Oh, this looks like U.S., California, Miami, or something. I don't know.
No,
Oh no, but it's Asian. Thailand.
this is Singapore
Look
again.
very coast. Yeah, it was either Singapore. Or it could be
Hold on.
Indon. Where's which one is that really developed?
Which direction are we driving? Bro, where is this, bro?
It's coastal vibe. Uh,
I don't like the one-way business, you know.
excuse me. It's very
It's not
green.
China.
Very
Is it Taiwan?
developed.
This could be Taiwan.
Taiwan is
This could be
like
Taipei.
okay.
Because
We
I
need
think
to pick
it's either
some.
Taiwan or Japan, though. Hold on.
Okay, ready? Japan? Is it Japan? Japan is so green.
I don't think Japan uses this much English. Maybe
Mm.
Taiwan does.
Or is it South Korea?
No. It's not South Korean language.
Or are you sure it's not? Okay, I feel like it could still be Singapore. What do they have them back to back like that though?
Mm-mm. They couldn't, but Singapore, this round is not given
No, but
Singapore.
Singapore speaks English, right?
I mean, yeah. Okay, this country. Okay, hold on. This is this could be Malaysia, low key.
Like a developed part. But we need
But
a
does
hint.
Malaysia
So okay,
speak
if you go
this?
Malaysia, what's the next best? Taiwan, I guess. I could go
Hold
Taipei.
on, no. I don't think Malaysia has this much English, if I'm being honest.
We need a wait for push.
This one is a little rough.
Mm-mm. I don't know. So I could go Taipei, and then you'd go
Yeah, I'd probably go southern Japan or just like Tokyo.
Yeah, I don't know. We need to pick something. I don't like that. We're giving him so much time. Miguel said, oh, he said he plays Street Fighter. Oh yeah, you and like Afro used to play the fighter games, gotcha game, and a rematch. Rematch is a football one. It's like what's it called? It's like Rocket League, but with whoa, that's my backyard, bro. Yo, that was good, bro. That was good. I kind of got the vibe from that. Romania. Romanija.
Yeah.
Give me
It's
Romania
Romania.
vibes.
Yo, let's just
Okay.
go Bucharest. Let's not give them any time.
Yeah, where's Romania again? Somewhere in Europe, right? Press. Wait,
Fucking team.
Bucharest is the
Capital. So maybe you can go here.
uh
Here, or here,
let's go central.
or here. One of those three places.
Oh, we were
It was
right.
Serbia. Lol.
Wow, what's this? A good thing I went central. Shoot. Miguel said that looks like Florida. Oh, let me see the Chinese language.
I think this is
rematch
third
is
gen. With the sun to the north, this is South America.
yeah.
Um,
Cali, Zona.
Claro.
Okay.
Where in South America is this? I'm thinking Bolivia, but I would want some more information.
Yeah, I don't know what else to. Liberia? No, that's a library.
No, bro.
Dead Don Pedro.
Thinking Bolivia right now. Can't lie. Like the city of Bolivia, not anywhere rural.
What made you say Bolivia again?
Third gen coverage, and we're in South America.
Yeah, I still don't even understand that.
This is English.
Oh, no, they picked it.
Hold on, this is not Bolivia. This is
Colombia.
No, dog. I need to lock in right now. All right, we're somewhere here.
Oh damn! I didn't pick. Oh man. That's bad.
It
That's
was
bad.
Guatemala.
Guatemala. Oh damn, that's GG's.
Uh,
Yo, Miguel said,
I should
yeah,
have checked the
rematch is
car.
the football one. It's pretty fun. Oh, you guys are playing a match right now. Yeah, yeah, we're doing it live, bro. He said, yo, dog, it is insanely hot right now.
All right, give me like 2 minutes.
What temperature is it now?
You hear?
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
It is insanely hot. Yeah. Yes, I see. This is saying 33 degrees. It feels, it'll feel extra hot today. Yeah. Mhm. If I turn on that fan. It looks overcast for me though. I don't know if it's overcast for you. It was just sunny before. Man, have on the AC. Yeah. Yeah. I just actually turned it up because I was like, yeah, I actually do feel a little warmer. I've been trying to like drink more water. Cause like sometimes like drinking, if you drink like cold water, it cools you down, you know. You have any plans for today, Miguel? For the holiday? Wait, I'd ask you. I think you're going anime con. So nah, I've been doing too much. Oh, bro, nice. Going to something called the Gamers. That's in Jamaica. Gamers Fest. Oh, you're gonna play. Oh, like play Street Fighter with other like against other. Oh, this is the first time they're doing it, or it's like something that's been happened already. Oh, the JEI puts it on. Gamers Fest, 10 a.m. to 5. Oh, it's at Summit. Oh, oh, no, it's been happening. They're gonna stream it. Yeah, I'm looking at it now. Gamers. Oh, that's interesting. I remember like JEI because they were pushing Fortnite. I remember like even doing a back when I used to bun Fortnite. They had a yeah. My friend used to work around there. That's interesting. So you can like win money too then. Oh, Glenn, you're back. You probably can't hear me. Do, do, do. Oh, I can show the chat on. You can show the chat on screen. Oh, that's cool. You can highlight messages. Oh, nice.
Ready?
Yeah, you knew about Glenn. You know about what's it called? Gamer Fest.
No.
Yeah, apparently they have. It's like a it's like a esports thing. You can
Really?
let me see. Yeah, like they have it's like a
In Jamaica?
tournament. Yeah, it's at Summit, bro. It's gonna be at Summit,
When?
the 30th of August, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Adults 1K. Also, if you can pay 2K for to enter into the tournament. Hmm. Really interesting. The thing is, I don't play Gamers Get Early. Which games do they have? Prize payout. First place 25K. Second place 17. Oh. Tournament participants. Which games do they have? Hmm. This is Street Fighter, Tekken, Mortal. Oh, is a lot of fighter. Smash Bros. Wow.
Well, if you have GeoGuessr there, it's done.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, Supreme Ventures SVL is sponsoring it. Okay. Stage and banning rules. Nice, bro. Okay. Ready, Glenn?
Hmm. I
Mm.
want to, like, I want to come out of our own feeling or like learning, like from my mistakes, you know?
Yeah, yeah. What did I learn from that one? You said that. What did I learn? I think you're saying I need to start doing the looking where the sun is and
Hmm.
using that to help know like where like northern or southern hemisphere, so that sometimes my guesses aren't um you know
Hmm.
that kind of
Hmm.
ridiculous. And I do need to look at the whole driving on the road thing that you guys are like, oh, how could you guess there? Because they drive on the left or drive on the right.
All right. Let's try this exercise real quick.
Mm-hmm.
It's not gonna be real quick.
Okay.
um, maybe like
Gosh,
10 minutes.
it's fun.
Yes.
Okay.
All
Oh,
right.
like back out of
So
this then.
yeah, back out. I'm gonna send a link in your thing. Actually, let me
In
send it in the
my
YouTube chat.
mm,
Oh, it's too long to send in the YouTube chat. Oh well,
feeling tired, yo.
bro.
Mm,
It's 11 o'clock.
yeah. I think I was out a little
Wrong link. Wrong link.
later than I haven't actually eaten breakfast. I need to have like some. Also being thirsty. Yo. You have plans today?
I go gym. That's pretty much it. All
Gym.
right.
I feel tired though.
Open
Yet
that
so
link.
if you haven't played this challenge yet,
Stream it. Stream it. You're not streaming it.
I'm not. Yeah, I am.
Mm-mm. Oh well, your thing is delayed by a lot.
Are you and you're live?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me reload the page. Yeah.
Mm.
All right. Let's click start game and
Did it
let us
come up
try
when you did
and
it?
huh?
Oh, no, never mind.
Click.
Yeah, click start.
Yeah. Let's try and figure out where this is.
It's like
So double yellow
El
lines. That's
Bethel
common in Brazil,
Cemetery.
but it's English. Bradley County. This is US or
Give me
Canada.
US. Yeah, I'm seeing like pickup trucks. I think that the US likes a lot of that.
Hmm. US or Canada.
Wait, oh, I
Bradley
can't
County.
click. I can't click. This is no move.
No, it's no move.
Oh. So you're just supposed to use what you have here.
Hmm.
Just give me US vibes. I don't know what else to. Where's the sun? I don't see the sun. Hmm. Um. Hmm.
Honestly, I would go somewhere in Iowa. Maybe more north.
What
Maybe
makes you say Iowa?
Minnesota. Because
Cold like there?
it gives that
Is that rain?
Midwest vibes.
Oh, that's rain.
you know, but I could be wrong.
Yeah,
I would say
rain will
somewhere in
cool down the place,
Minnesota.
Miguel.
Maybe like Rochester. I want to go Rochester, Minnesota. Hope for the
I have
best.
no idea how you're. I don't know. I just. What makes you say Minnesota?
Because of the trees and how rich they are. And
How rich the trees are?
bro, this is really a vibe, guess. I don't know, but I would go Rochester, Minnesota. But where
Where's
would you go?
Minnesota? I don't
What
know.
are your thoughts?
So I do think it's US. Um, I would probably just go Central US so that I'd hedge this one. I'd be like, well, it's probably one of these places. I'll just go here and then guess. Yeah. Wait, we're playing against multiple people?
No, it's just it's whoever's closest. It's not really a live match. It's more like a how good can you do? All right, so
Hmm. So it
it was
was
Arkansas. Yeah, it was far. All right, so
Arkansas.
there's a video that explains each round.
So click
So
next.
hold on, don't click next yet. In a new tab, I want you to open this YouTube video.
Okay.
I sent it on in the YouTube chat.
Discord.
Mhm.
Oh, hold on, I'm not seeing.
I can send it here as well. I could also stream the video if that helps.
No, I can. Uh, hold on. I don't see the chat though. You said you posted it in the YouTube chat?
Yeah, but if you don't see it, then it's fine.
Look, I'm just wondering what's going on, why I wouldn't see it though. I thought I should see it. Hmm. And when I go on my phone now, it's like I'm not seeing the chat or the previous chats. What the heck? Yeah, you said click this.
Hi everyone, it's Oscar here. Welcome back to GeoGuessr Explained. Now, if you didn't catch it, yesterday's episode was postponed because I recorded them and explained what my thought process
So
was.
his whole YouTube channel is on
Okay,
that.
so
Oh
first one
my.
here. Obviously, I always
Yeah,
like to talk
but
about the road
it's
lines,
this
double
specific
joggers
video
in
I
the
want
center
you to
of the
watch.
road here. Then we also
Like watch it
over
live.
here have a bunch of American-style pickup trucks, like it's a Chevy,
American-style pickup
I don't know what that
trucks.
is, a Ford or something like that. So yeah,
Yeah.
American-style
I can't
pickup
hear.
trucks there.
We can't hear
So
the.
when you see those,
We can't
probably
hear
think of
the. Oh wait, actually that could be me. That could be me. Never mind.
Is it you? I think you should be able to.
Yeah, but
Ecuador, Mexico, United
if
States.
you talk, then
Canada,
I'll
that
I'll
kind
be
of
hearing
thing.
you twice. Lol.
And then we have this kind of climate where it's like semi-tropical, like subtropical. Wouldn't
Yeah,
say in the
I should
southern
probably just
hemisphere, I
stream
guess
it.
above tropical, whatever they say for that. In the northern hemisphere, that's what it feels like. Also, this thing here with the orange on the top and the white on the bottom is very American, very United States. Well, so is this mailbox. To be fair, they kind of have like a
Mailbox.
thicker one in Canada, generally speaking. This car has
You
no
watching?
front plates, so feeling more southern states. A good way to remember no front plates is that every state touching Texas has no front plates. Every southern state down here has no front plates. Front
I think-
plates is that
Yeah,
and the white
I'm
on the
watching
bottom
it.
is very American.
All right.
Hi everyone, it's Oscar here. Welcome back to GeoGuessr
Wait, I'm watching
Explained.
it on
Now,
my.
if you didn't catch it, yesterday's episode was
Hold on, why are you
postponed
sharing it?
because I recorded.
Because I can't watch it on the YouTube on your YouTube video, or else I'm gonna hear you talk
Oh,
twice.
but don't you already know
Because
the
we're on the
answer though?
call. Well, yeah, but he explains why.
Essentially corrupted. I didn't record.
All right, I'll watch it on here. I think.
Because I recorded.
Because
Yeah.
can't watch it.
The technical stuff.
Very United States. Well, so is this mailbox. To be fair, they kind of have like a thicker one in Canada, generally speaking. This car has no front plates, so feeling more southern states. A good way to remember no front plates is that every state touching Texas has no front plates. Every southern state down here has no front plates.
Don't have front plates. Oh, that's weird.
And every state touching Ohio has no front plates as well, which is basically covers all the northern ones that don't use it. So like that, and then also like Delaware and yeah, that's about it. So on this one, I was thinking with these southern-looking pines, the ones that kind of have like a lot of scraggly branches, and with some slight hills, I kind of thought of like I think I guessed in like South Carolina here or Georgia, something like that. That was kind of my thought here. In hindsight, with this location, I think paying attention to the road could have been good, but I did kind of like pay attention to that in the actual round itself when I played it. So yeah, I also looked at these plates, seemed a bit blue on this one, and definitely lacking front plates in the back of these ones. So yeah, I think like South Carolina, North Carolina, and Virginia all have bluish number plates, so that's kind of why I thought going in this region can work. Combined with these like southern-looking pines, then that definitely makes sense. But of course, it was all the way over in Arkansas here, and whoops, did not mean to click that link, but okay. And that's 3,000 points that we got. So yeah,
So
I think I
it's
actually
2
clicked
years
on
ago. Oh, wow.
Greenville or something like that. But yeah, ends up being not the best guess. Arkansas can look like that, and that's why they call it Southern Roulette, because all of these states can look fairly similar to how that one looked.
Southern looking pines. That's crazy.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the next one then. You're doing the next one, or you're still watching?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the next one.
So this is giving me kind of Africa vibes. It's like you've seen this big plain. All around there are plains, not very developed, with lots of buildings. I've seen some like red dirt. I'm not seeing any signs. So this thing said 14. I don't know what else to. Oh wait, yeah, I can't make that out.
This is a drive right round.
This is our.
This is a drive right round. I agree with Africa. We're in Africa drives right. It's gonna be Nigeria, low key. That's where I'd go.
It was crazy, like when you said the bots in chat. Where in Africa though? How do you
Well, somewhere in Africa that drives right.
So you have to.
But I don't
memorize
know. I mean, pro GeoGuessrs could use the poll as well, but I don't know. I can't correlate this poll.
See, for me, I would just pick Central Africa. Oh wow, it was South America. It's Colombia. Oh wow.
Colombia, wow.
So I guess he.
Bro, I kind of want us to watch the video at the same time.
Because the thing is, for me to do that with the Discord, it's gonna be kind of weird.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the issue.
It was.
And I feel like it would also affect the stream too. Yeah, make it harder for them to follow.
A somewhat difficult round.
I mean, I'm gonna play the video now.
Okay.
Although there are things that you can notice here to make things life nice and easy. So we have crosses on the back of all the signs here. This 3 should mean we're definitely somewhere in Colombia. Like
wait, what?
Life nice and easy. So we have crosses on the back of all the signs here. This 3 should mean we're definitely somewhere in Colombia. Like if the sign back is not black and we have crosses in South America, then that's just going to be Colombia. It's called the Colombian cross. We also have
what? You heard what he said? Apparently Colombia is known for having crosses on the back of the signs.
Have here white painted signposts, which are not exclusive to there, but definitely common there. We also have a stubby antenna with the black Google car. Now, it's very difficult to see that it's black on the outside here, but if you're experienced, you can kind of get that there's a tinge of black there.
Interesting.
And when you see that stubby antenna car with a black car, that will just be somewhere in Colombia.
Crazy.
Reddish soil here, so we're feeling east of the Andes. We also don't really feel
red soil east of the Andes.
Like not too many palms, so probably not in the north of the country where it also gets flat. And yeah, so I was kind of thinking somewhere around here along this river made the most sense. Yeah, that red soil.
I think I know what
to
this
get to
is.
Brazil, the more red the soil. Same thing in
You stream to Discord. There's like a 10-second delay.
On the stream?
stream your screen to Discord as well, so it's live for me.
Okay, let's hope that doesn't explode my computer.
3080, bro, that good.
38? Huh? Oh, no, it's 3060 Ti.
Oh, Jano. Okay, it might be a little.
Yeah, you should be seeing it now.
Yeah.
That's about all that it was to say.
I mean, the main thing I got from this, he said, use the crosses on the back of the signs to say Colombia.
About this round, fairly straightforward, I would say, actually.
So what about the cross?
He said having the crosses on the back of the sign is typical for Colombia or common in Colombia. So he would have known. That's how he knew it was Colombia. It's called the name
of the country where it also gets flat. And so I was kind of thinking somewhere around here, like that.
So I get that. So I'd say Colombia, but then I don't know. So confused at how he then got to the other parts of Colombia. I would probably our strategy is if it's Colombia, usually you just go to capital or something, which is a decent one. It's just when you get like against really good people.
On there, we also have a stubby antenna with the black goo car. Now it's very difficult to see that it's black on the outside here, but if you're experienced, you can kind of get that there's a tinge of black there. And when you see that stubby antenna car with a black car, that will just be somewhere in Colombia. Reddish soil here, so we're feeling east of the Andes. We also don't really feel like not too many palms. So
well, he's going very fast.
Yeah, he's not wasting time.
Can't even keep hold on. I'm trying to understand.
To see that it's black on the outside here, but if you're experienced, you can kind of get that there's a tinge of black there. And when you see that stubby antenna car with a black car, that will just be somewhere in Colombia. Reddish soil here, so we're feeling east of the Andes. We also don't really feel like
said red soil, so east of the Andes. Where's the Andes?
So the Andes is probably like the mountain range that we're seeing there.
Oh, but it doesn't show up on GeoGuessr.
No. So just east of that.
Oh, yeah. See it there. Even the topography. So this is the Andes, and he's saying east. So East Andes has red soil. So west of Andes doesn't have red soil, I guess. Okay. Okay, so that then narrowed it down somewhere over here.
Not too many palms, so probably not in the north of the country where it also gets flat. And so I was kind of thinking somewhere around here along this river made the most sense. That red soil. Obviously, the closer you get to Brazil, the more red the soil. Same thing in Peru if you get east of the Andes. But that's about all that it was to say about this round. Fairly straightforward, I would say, actually, once you kind of have the vibes. Anyway, we get 4,500 there, which is not too bad. Okay, next round.
All right, next round. Pause.
Yeah.
Let's play it.
It's probably really boring to stream. Yeah,
but we'll learn, bro. So after these 5 rounds, we'll play another team duels.
So this
the sun to the south.
So the sun.
So we're in the northern hemisphere.
So wherever the sun is, we're on the opposite hemisphere. So if the sun is the south, we're north. So the sun is to the south, we are northern hemisphere.
And we're also driving on the right. Can you tell that we're driving on the right hand side?
I see the like the track or something.
So forget the track. Look at the sign. Look at the signs on the road. You realize that based on where the sign is located, somebody would have to be driving on the right side to read the sign.
Oh, yeah.
You see that? You can appreciate that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So that is most of the time your biggest clue as to figuring out what side of the road to drive on. Very mountainous, northern hemisphere driving right. I'm feeling like Alaska here. I cannot lie. What are your thoughts?
Alaska
could also be somewhere in Europe. but with such big, grand roads. Europe is known for its very squingy, teeny roads. Could be Canada as well, low key.
I do feel the Canada kind of, yeah, I see that. Ideally, I'd want to see like some language. That's where I see the cross, the sign, it just has a single,
Mountains
there's no
to the
cross like the
south
Colombian cross.
and the west. Mountains to the
There,
southwest.
I don't know. Wow, this is like a
Or
really big country
northeast.
though.
Very big.
I'm kind of feeling could be Canada, but then the trees
Yeah.
don't really. I'm not sure. Are these Canadian trees?
All right, let's not spend too long on this.
Is it like
I'm
the
gonna go
mountainous
northeast
parts
of
of Canada?
Vancouver.
Quebec.
Wow. So this is where it was. Okay, I'll let you guess.
Oh, so it was
Yeah,
Canada
I
as
guess
well.
I guess closer to Vancouver.
Whoa, you hear that?
Go to friends. Go to friends in top players. Go to friends. So that was my score,
Oh, where were you? Oh,
and that's where I guessed. Yeah.
Vancouver. Okay.
All right. Let's hear what what the guy has to say. He's zigzag, by the way. Probably top 5 most popular GeoGuessers. He's better than Rainbow.
Who?
Zigzag. He's a guy that's talking to us in the YouTube video. Go back to the YouTube video.
Need to get something to. I think I want to make a smoothie.
And we were going to be somewhere inside North America based on vibes, actually. So this one. I mean, here's the best thing that actually I didn't notice this in the last one. The best thing to get that you're in North America here is the sign with all dots in it. You wouldn't see this type of signpost in Europe, but you would see it in the US and Canada. So they're basically the only countries I can think of that actually use the.
You know what he said about the dots?
Yeah.
So if there's dots on the back of the sign, it's usually US or Canada. If there's a cross, it's Colombia.
Signpost consistently. Then these trees.
If there's a dark cross, I think.
Scraggly, I don't know. And then also we have a lot of pink flowers, which is always a northern thing. Like that's more Canada, Alaska, and like Russia kind of thing to see. Yeah, we got white outside lines here. Can't really see the yellow center line. Doesn't seem like it's really that well marked. But the thing that really made me think it's not Alaska, rather Canada, is the fact that this is a green back of the sign. That's most common in British Columbia. You can see it in Yukon as well. And I think I clicked kind of. I can't remember exactly where I clicked here, but I think I clicked up here. But yeah, that's kind of what I thought. Kind of. I can't remember exactly where I clicked.
So at least he agrees with me that the vibe was given Alaska and Canada.
Well, he's saying the back of the sign is green is usually
which was given British Columbia or Yukon, Canada.
So the dots on the back of the sign say US Canada.
Right.
You're supposed to know the back of the green one is British Columbia.
Or Yukon as well. And I think I clicked kind of. I can't remember exactly where I clicked here, but I think I clicked up here.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's kind of what I thought here. I can't remember actually where this location was, but yeah, we do have hills, and Yukon will always be hilly. Essentially, you always at least see some hills in Yukon, and yeah, just that sign back is the main thing here, as well as the signpost to get the region. So I don't see where it actually was here, and it was just down in the south of the state, or the province, or the territory rather, and so we get 4,200 points there, and yeah, not a bad result. Okay, next.
Okay. After this one, I think I'm gonna make a smoothie. That was Thunder by you?
Yeah.
Oh. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery or independence. Okay, so there's this big plain. The sun is to the north, so that means we are in the southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere.
Nice.
With a lot of grass.
Driving on the right.
Hold on, where's the sign?
Man, what is English? Southern hemisphere, driving on the right in English. Backside.
And I see a yellow thing. Whoa. The thunder is at you. Southern Hemisphere. Uh, is it like? This gives me kind of Africa or South America vibes,
Fourth gen
but I
coverage.
don't know how to see. I get lost here in terms of um. I guess how to then narrow that down even
Drive
more.
on the right in southern hemisphere. This one has me for 6 because how if you have English driving on the right in southern hemisphere?
Mm,
The hurricane.
could be Australia or South Africa speaks English though.
Is this a flash flood?
Damn, it was Australia.
Hold on.
Damn.
Driving on the right.
Mm. BRB, I'm gonna make a smoothie, bro.
Alright.
BRB stream.
Are you back?
Yo. Glenn?
Hey, I playing a solo duos right now. I should probably stream it. Shit. It's okay. I'll stream it if you want, but I'm in round 7. He's losing,
Solo duo.
but
So
can I maintain?
when I leave this, I can join back into the challenge, or it's like it will start over.
You can probably just start a new tab. I wouldn't come off of the tab.
Oh, hold on, I'm checking some messages.
Is this South America? South Africa? This is South Africa. Yeah, so I try a part of South Africa. Bloemfontein. Yeah. I need to learn the difference between Botswana and South Africa. It's not New Zealand. Okay, I think I've won here. No, but I can.
Hold on, wait. I'm still streaming.
All right, I won.
Oh, nice. When you had it in your son.
I think I need to play one more to cement myself in gold, so I could stream that one. Yo, I've won all the games I've played. That's a first.
Mm.
All right, so I'll stream this round.
Okay.
How was the smoothie?
It's pretty good. Pretty good, thanks.
All right, it's
Oh,
gonna
I
be
should have forgot to
so.
put ginger in there. Crap.
It's gonna be
You know,
so funny if I
sometimes
lose this.
I have like a checklist of the stuff I go through.
It's gonna be so funny if I lose this.
Whoa.
I'm streaming. You can see it.
Hold on. How do I pop it out? How do I pop it out? Oh, I want to make my stream say streamception. Go.
See it?
Yeah, I'm seeing.
Alright.
The smoothies. If you're looking to like get healthy and stuff.
I do it maybe like once or twice a week. I'm playing against a YouTuber. Alright, so I'm dead here.
I mean, that doesn't mean he's good though.
No, sun to the north. CS6. Driving left, sun to the north. This is Australia or South Africa. I would say this is Australia. I would say this is a very dry part of Australia. I'll be like here. I'll go here. I'm gonna ask this guy if he's streaming.
You can ask it.
I guess I can ask him after.
You just go. Wait, I could just go on his host's name.
Yeah, deals GeoG. But if you're streaming, don't watch it, or you can watch it, but
I'll search him up.
Yeah. St. Peter's.
How do I spell his name?
This is Canada. Where in Canada are we? Canada's so vast, so big. We're in an English part of Canada. All right.
Wait, he is.
I'm gonna go to Winnipeg and pray.
No, he has 2,400 subs.
It was Prince Edward Island.
This don't make sense. How does he have 2,000?
He could be streaming on Twitch. I don't know.
Yeah, come to side. I barely see any. Well, it says YouTube though.
That moment when you get the flag right, but it's not enough. Driving right. sun to the south, sea to the west. Driving right, sun to the south, sea to the west. To the west, and low key to the south, post Bree.
We heard my slurp.
Williams. No.
Okay.
EU plate. All right, Glennon, what information do we know so far? EU plate, sun to the south, sea to the south, driving on the right. This one is rough. Sun to the south. I'm gonna go here and pray.
What makes you say it there? Wait, what is that?
Because I knew it was Europe, I just didn't know where.
Where is that?
I don't even know. I don't even know which jurisdiction this fall under. Probably Finland. Entertainers. It's giving America. Here we are now, driving right. I feel stupid and contagious. Will you get copyright claim if I sing the song? Here we are now. I have to sing it off key then. Entertainers. Raw denial.
It's giving me like US vibes.
Yeah, bro. I have nothing. I know it's probably the US, but like I don't know where. Yo, when in doubt, go Midwest. Oh, it was Canada.
Oh,
Wow, he's closer.
It was a nice fruit smoothie, yo.
Sun to the north.
Feels a bit cold.
White dashed outer lines. Northern hemisphere. Bro, I don't know. I don't know why. Probably here. I don't know. I have no idea where this is. Oh, so he knew it was Sweden. Sun to the south. So we're northern hemisphere. I'm not appreciating that EU plate, but we're driving on the right. I think these are significant, but I don't know what they're significant for. This is probably Russia. Hikey. Hikey, Russia. No EU plates. Russian language. I'm gonna go like here. Okay, I finally give him some damage. This is, hold on. Sun to the south. This is like Iceland. This is Iceland. Hikey, I'm thinking Iceland.
Iceland? But how do you know which part of Iceland then?
I don't know. I'm looking. I'm trying to compare. Skalavik. Let me look. I look more.
It's hilly.
Iceland drives on the right though. Oh, they drive on the left.
Is there like a cheat sheet for like driving on the right, driving on the left?
You can probably search up for one. He's trying to find these roads, I'm sure. I'm looking for the number 40.
Yeah, I can't even say that. That good, I guess.
And I'm not even that big, you know. 36, 37, 38, 47, 40. Okay. I found 40. I think he's trying to 5K this now. But it's like it's rural. So, and this is like in the middle of the city. So I'm very
Hilly.
confused.
No, go more hilly.
I'm a little bit confused. I'll probably go here, yeah. I'm very interested to know where this is. He went the same place as me. Oh, it was Faroe.
Where's Faroe? Oh, that's not a country? Faroe Island.
Well, I don't know. It could be a territory. Drive on the right. Northern Hemisphere.
I don't know. It's giving me kind of US vibes.
You know, I was thinking that, but like, could be Europe. Could be Europe. Could be Europe. Flat, probably go like here. Wow. Okay, this might be game. Yeah, that was game. I've never gotten Latvia before in my life, so I don't know anything about Latvia.
Are you ready to play though?
Yeah.
Just to take a nap soon, yo. I should also need to have, I guess, my lunch or whatever.
All right, we need like 2 wins.
It says waiting for you, by the way. Let's go. Let's go.
See.
So it's coastal Italy? No, this one.
Sun to the soul.
It's like a wharf. I see like some yachts, some mega yachts.
Plates.
Very
King's Landing-ish place.
Invest, it's English. Invest in 3 cities.
Oh, it's moving. I keep forgetting that it's moving.
Invest in
I'm gonna go Greece, bro. Like go southern Italy.
Oh wow.
Where do you go?
Where was it? Malta.
Bro, where you guess? Does it have water or ports? Come on.
Yeah, Europe. Just give me Europe. The plates. I see yellow plates though.
Holyrood.
What does that mean again? Oh wow. Holyrood Park. It's English.
Probably the UK.
England.
Bro, just go northern, southern UK, bro. At this point.
Go northern UK. You go south. Wow, I did it the same. Okay, yo, these guys are good. These guys are good. These guys are good.
Bolivia, Peru.
How do you know that?
Because of the brick and the landscape. 4th gen coverage makes me think it's more Peru. I see 1 yellow plate. Hold on.
Guna
Peru.
Jardine.
We're in Peru.
Some say Guna Jardine.
All right, mountains to the north. Mountains to the north and to the west. All right, let's not give them any time. Mountains to the north and to the west. North and to the west. Right?
You said it's Peru?
North and to the west, yeah. To the north and to the west. So we're east. So it could be like here. North and to the west. Like there. Pick anywhere in Peru. Maybe pick northern Peru. Yeah. I don't think we're in Lima. Also, for team duels, I don't think you have to click on the word guess. I think once you press it, you're good. Yeah, bro. Them dead.
Oh, nice. So how did
Yeah.
you said you just knew the
So
look? Oh,
the
this is Europe.
I say Paris, but this is not Paris. Spanish.
Tribuna. Hold on,
Bienvenidos.
look
Could
at
be
the look
Spain.
at the flag. Red, blue,
Concepcion,
white.
Colombia. It's Concepcion. Wait, that CL is CL Colombia? Hold on. Shit. Isn't Concepcion in which country is Concepcion right now?
I don't know.
If we figure that out, we've won.
Oh,
Bro, them really get
seems
this
like they
before
figured
us.
it out. So you're saying this is
Hold
you think
on.
this is Colombia?
Hold on.
Gallery Italia.
Shit. I don't know. Ecuador. I don't know.
Ecuador?
I don't know.
Wait, how did? Oh, all I have to do is double click. Oh,
Concepcion was in Chile. It was in
Oh.
Chile. CL stands for Chile.
CL.
That
Oh,
would have
okay,
been
we're
such
saying
an easy
Colombia.
win.
So
I was trying to figure out where
CH. So Chile
Concepcion
is
was.
CH. But instead of CH, it's CL. Oh. So you saw dot .cl. Okay, so dot .cl is Chile. What's Colombia then?
Concepcion.
Colombia
It's
is
in
dot
Chile.
.co.
It's .co, yeah. I was trying to figure out where Concepcion was.
This really is trying to learn, memorize the stuff, yo.
So for that country with Peru, I saw Peru on a plate, 1 and 2. So 4th-gen coverage with the brick and the dryness with the mountains. You're thinking Peru or Bolivia. Although Bolivia is primarily 3rd-gen, so you're thinking more Peru. No, mountains to the north and to the west means that you've knocked out Lima. You've knocked out coastal regions. So I just looked in the map to see where is like civilization with mountains to the north and to the west, and that's how I got there. Because you can make out terrain on the Google map.
Finding opponents. Dum dum dum. Dum dum dum.
EU.
Looks very. It's like mini Ima Factor, mini countryman. It's not English. Oh. How do you knock this down?
I don't know where we are, bro.
I don't know.
All right, let's go. Let's hedge. Let's
I
hedge.
don't know. I'm really feeling tired, yo. Serbia. Serbia. Cafe. Excuse me, Europe vibes. Stone streets. Let me see the license plate. I see blue there. What are you thinking?
Hungary.
Let's see.
Or the other one beside Hungary.
Hold on.
TR. Dot TR. Turkey.
Istanbul. Dot Istanbul.
Turkey.
No, Istanbul. Yeah. Some say dot Istanbul.
Go here.
Go where?
Go there.
Oh, Istanbul.
Yeah.
After this double click. so I don't actually have to.
Yeah, you don't have to lock it in.
Oh. Wait. Oh, you're closer. Oh. Okay, not English. I can't really make out this language.
It's Russian
Oh, this is a Russian.
or Russian like.
.ua. UA is what again? Ukraine? UA is Ukraine, right?
Yeah, I believe
Ukraine. .ua. I'll go Kiev. Where you? I don't know where.
All right. I'll go Kharkiv, I
Head
guess.
somewhere, I guess. Yeah. These guys are Japanese, so hopefully they. Yeah. I think I prefer the more aggressive style. We just try to put people in place, so no one give them any time to figure.
Oh, you mean that shit that you did to me?
But that was the best strategy for me, bro. That's the best strategy. That's how I won against Justin, bro. That's legit how I won. I was like, because think about it. If I was there sitting down, all I would have done was given Justin more and more time to figure it out. And I'm just like, yo, I just play. I'd bring more on the randomness. This looks like Japanese kind of language, Japanese, Chinese. I think about China though.
Even more. It's
no,
but
it's
more
China
Taiwan
doesn't have. Oh, yeah,
coverage.
China isn't covered.
Giving Taiwan, but I just need so driving right. So it's not Japan. So it's definitely Taiwan. All right, let's not give them time. But everybody, they're gonna know that it's Taiwan.
Okay. Oh.
Go Taipei. Go Taipei. You have to go Taipei for this to work. Good.
Let's go. Only 7 damage. Damn.
Driving on the right.
Excuse me, Europe vibes.
EU.
Let's see. I'm not seeing the blue though. Wait, this has a license plate. Something.
It's not German. It's not English.
I thought they're supposed to blur the license plate.
Sometimes they don't blur it well.
Dragutina Rakovka.
Why are you laughing?
People them license plate, bro.
Yeah, bro. Surprised somebody not sue them over it yet. Oh, also Jamaica is on Street View. So I'm wondering if they've made a Jamaican map.
For Geo, you mean?
Yeah, I'd love to play that because that would be at 5K everything.
Oh wait, you can select just certain places in GeoGuessr?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if somebody has made a Jamaica map because there's it's not official, but there's Street View of a good amount of places in Jamaica.
Oh, okay, let's look at that.
There's Street View of my house.
Oh, whoa, okay.
HR is
Hungary?
I'm guessing Hungary, bro. Wanna go Budapest? So I guess somewhere like.
Oh, did I? Oh no, Ooh, wait, where is it?
HR is Croatia.
What? Oh no, Hungary.
What?
Oh, that's weird.
That's very weird. Although HU is Hungary still, so I get it.
This is giving me like southern. Hold on, the sun is to the south, so we're in the northern hemisphere, but it's not really Europe.
It's Europe.
It is? Let me see. I'm not seeing the blue. There's not the EU. Well, you seeing blue plates?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I do see one. Okay, some of them I guess didn't have it.
All right. What country in Europe has blue, yellow, and red?
Ukraine.
No. Oh my God, we're cooked.
In the flag?
Blue, yellow, and red. I think it's Romania.
In Romania?
Oh, that was so funny. Probably go here. Like here. Yo, man, she said.
Is it a Ukraine that color though?
Good job.
Where was this? This was
The
Romania.
war has been going on for years. And this
no,
man
it's blue and
said,
yellow. Okay, so Mackenzie Avenue. So it's English. Just give me Europe vibes. Smith and Smith. New Zealand leading vehicle. New Zealand's leading vehicle glass repairer. We need to pressure them.
all right, let's hedge.
Yeah. Where's the
Auckland or
capital?
Wellington? I'll go Auckland.
I go Wellington.
You go Wellington? Yep,
Yeah.
good.
Okay, good. Charles. Oh damn it. Oh wow, they did the same thing. Oh man. Well, I guess they saw it. Okay.
These long rounds.
I was free. Toyo tires, drive step.
South America, it's giving.
Bust them mash up. Oh wow.
Bro, these guys need to relax.
I don't know. I don't know.
I'm gonna go La Paz.
Oh, Uruguay.
Yeah, that's game.
How did they know
Game.
Uruguay?
10 grand, bro.
How did they know Uruguay? Damn.
I've never have to do it so.
Damn.
Bro.
I'll probably play like one more.
Like go 3. His go 3 seeing us.
Oh yeah.
These guys are too good. After that flash flood. Oh, stream your screen on Discord because I see it faster. That way, maybe something on your screen can help.
You can look at both screens.
I realize that when you stream on Riverside, there's a delay.
Yeah. This is giving me Europe.
Italy. Hold on.
That LV. No, that LV. What's that?
.lv.
Lithuania?
Bro.
I think we've got
Latvia.
Latvia's where? Oh.
Here.
Okay. Where's the capital?
I did the capital already.
Oh.
I tell the man to stream to Discord. You know?
Oh, my bad.
1 point.
Guess they saw it too. I should be streaming now.
Yeah.
Just give me Europe. This looks very
UK.
familiar. Yeah,
UK. Where in the UK?
Don't
let me down, bro.
Hold on. St. Peter's Catholic Church. West. Is that saying West Castle?
That's everywhere, bro.
I say something say West Castle.
Kings Mountain.
That's England.
Cardiff.
Where's
Oh, they're
show
dead. They're dead.
Show me.
Oh, here. But we're in Cardiff. Yo, find the school in Cardiff.
Yeah.
Kings Mountain School. And St. Peter's Cathedral?
Yeah. Where is you found it?
Kings. I look in. Kings Mountain. Let's not give them any chance, bro.
National Museum, Cardiff. Dead. Damn. Where was it? Oh, Weatherspoons. Hey, that's a nice place.
Europe. I'm going southwest.
Um, hmm, Lazensky, Lazienski,
PL, Poland. We're in
Park
Poland.
Helenov, Poland, Park Helenov.
Kilinskiego
Oh,
in Poland.
Park Helenov. Iga Warsaw. I don't know. Park Helenov. I don't know.
Guess Krakow would have been safe.
Oh, that's my backyard. That's like that guy's backyard, bro.
They got the dub. They got the dub. It's his backyard.
Yeah. Middle Park Primary School, school council president,
It's either Australia or South Africa or New Zealand. It's Australia. We're in Australia, are we? Oh, it's Australia, bro.
How you know Australia? Said something?
AU. There's a dot AU.
Middle Park Primary.
Middle Park does not help us.
Um,
It's close to city. Close to a city. A city is to the north, a prominent city.
Richardson
It's
Street.
south of a city. And it's very green. All right.
Yeah, city there.
Melbourne. We're in Melbourne.
Melbourne is where is that?
With
Where
the
is that?
city
Show
to
me.
the north.
Show me.
With the city to the north. We're like here. I want you to go like here. Or you could go here. Either of these places. Or you could just hedge in the water, to be honest. This is a distance game.
What?
Just drop it in the water, bro. Drop it in the water. Nice.
What? No, that's hilarious.
Senegal.
This looks very dirty and
same hedge as before.
Oh, what did you do again? So you go.
I'm not gonna give him any time, bro. It's not giving him any time. So it looks deserty. It has that pole. Them dead. Okay. Oh my God, we have a win.
Let's go.
Yeah, you're right.
Confetti.
Just guessing quickly helps.
Puts pressure on them, bro.
I think we need one more win. So. But this is our first win today, I think.
It was?
Or maybe our second. Like, they've been going hard. Drunken curry muncher. Okay. Innsbruck.
Where is that?
Them dead. Austria. They're so dead, bro. What do you mean?
Okay, pressure. Where's Austria again? Innsbruck. You know where in Innsbruck?
All right, so I think in these scenarios, you lock in Innsbruck, and then I try to get specific. Probably like here. Go here.
Oh, I didn't. That's where you're pointing me to?
No, I was pointing to the right. I'd have been closer.
Zurich. Some says
Zurich. Sure.
Yeah. It says Zurich.
That's
no,
a
it's like a
name.
business though.
I don't trust that.
Wait, that thing almost.
Figure out if we're driving on the left or right for me quickly. This could be
I'm
Singapore.
It's very green. Oh,
This is their backyard because I think they're from Malaysia.
Isn't that the US?
Hold on.
Maybe
There's no time.
where's Singapore again?
I'm going to Singapore, yeah.
Where is it? Oh. Oops. Oh wait.
It was
What?
Malaysia. Wow, they're
Oh.
from Malaysia. Shame.
Aren't they from US? My icon.
No,
is saying
Malaysia.
they're
Those
from-
are Malaysian flags.
That's Malaysia?
I think so.
That looks like the US. What? Kai and Drew? Are we looking at the same thing? I'm blind.
Yeah.
This gives me kind of US or Canada or something.
I think it's more US.
Oh. What makes
Winnipeg,
this-
Winnipeg, Canada. Canada, Winnipeg, Winnipeg,
Oh.
Winnipeg.
Where's Winnipeg? Show me.
Here.
What made you say Winnipeg?
Because I see it on a garbage bin.
Okay.
Poland. Just go Warsaw immediately, bro.
.pl. Yeah.
Go Warsaw immediately. Lock in Warsaw immediately. Guess. Good.
Put pressure on them.
I'm looking for a dome structure.
Selansa. Okay, not bad. Just give me Singapore, but well, no, actually, US.
Port of Miami. We're in Miami. Downtown
Oh.
Miami.
Yeah.
Port of Miami.
Port. Yeah, let me go Miami.
Downtown
Let me
Miami.
see Port of Miami. Wait, are you looking at the highway? I see 95.
Yeah.
Are we near there?
It's like probably like here. Go here.
Oh, where? Not bad.
These guys.
I mean, they're from the US, so.
No, they're from Malaysia.
I
bro.
still see the icon I'm seeing is US, bro. That's not my.
It's okay.
I don't know why we're.
Look
so
up the Malaysian
confused.
flag after this.
It looks exactly like the US flag.
Yeah. Not
What?
exactly what.
It's the US one with the blue FedEx office, yummy teriyaki.
Let's give you in Canada again. Sorry, did I say Canada? I meant the States.
Royce Street. I'm trying to look at like to see the.
You know, I don't think the United States has a.
Which
think
side of the
they're
road is
ending.
this? This is the right side of the road. Which side of? Yeah, the US drives on the right.
Of course they do.
Yummy teriyaki. I don't know. Oh,
This could be New
don't
Jersey.
know. I don't know.
I'm gonna go New Jersey here. Go. Hold on. Go like Baltimore.
Oh.
All right.
Wow.
Wow, it was Seattle. It was Seattle. That's so funny.
Seattle. Wow, at least everyone was off. We're all off, yo.
Sun to the north. We're in South America. Port Gen coverage. This is likely Peru. Bro, Kai needs to relax.
Peru, I go Lima.
All right, one man go Montevideo, and I go Peru.
I mean, wait, where's Montevideo?
I have Montevideo. Go Peru. Go Peru. Go Peru. Go Lima. Yeah.
Lima. How did you know it was? How did
Because it just felt that way. I don't know. It was a vibe guess, and it screwed us before. So I remember the failures. EU.
Galler with the A, with the two dots over the A. That's German, right?
Falcomen. I'm thinking more
So it could be
Hungary,
German
bro.
or Austria or something.
Mm-mm. If I see the B, then I know it's Germany or a German language. SE.
Oh,
That's
so that's
Serbia.
SE. Okay.
Hmm.
That's pressure then. Where's Serbia again?
I have Belgrade. Go elsewhere
Mm,
in Serbia. Maybe here. Nice, maybe. I don't know.
mm.
SE. It has to be Serbia, right? I'm not dumb, right? It'd be so funny if I'm wrong.
What?
Sweden.
Oh,
Sweden.
Sweden
Oh
S.
my god.
Wait,
Website domain for Serbia.
SB.
It's RS.
What?
Sweden is
You
SE.
think that's Russia? Wait. Can you show me how to do the Jamaican thing, like where we would?
Yeah, I'm gonna see if they have a Jamaican map. I hope they do.
I searched Jamaica. Yeah, see someone said Jamaica. Can I play with you?
Yeah, let me start a party. I'm gonna invite you. The code is
Uh,
TWBXW.
Hold on. So I got a multiplayer. Well, no, got a party. Join with code TWX. What?
BXW.
Hold on. TW
BXW.
BXW.
All right. So I want to do duel. All right, are you ready? This is gonna be so funny. I hope that they incorporated Jamaica though. Let's see. All right, ready? I'm gonna mute my mic.
Right. Oh, we're going against
Or
each other.
actually, do I have to?
Yo. Uh what? Oh, this is no move, bro. What? This makes no
Think so?
sense. What the fuck? Yo.
Hold on. This is not. This is not actually Jamaica. This is not actually Jamaica. I don't think.
Uh,
Can I create a map with the street view coverage from Jamaica? I could try and do that, but this is not Jamaica
how do you know that?
because this flag is gay. Oh wait. It's lie. I just lied. It could be Jamaica. It could very well be Jamaica.
Uh,
Bro, I don't know where this is at. Actually, it was
it was bull.
it was St. Thomas.
What?
All right, okay. So Jamaica is there. Jamaica is there.
Yo, that's
Okay.
crazy. That's crazy. Oh.
Remember, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Um.
Hmm.
Wow.
That's
What?
Portland, bro. Come on. You know that's Portland, bro.
That's
That's
crazy.
MLB. Come on, bro. Wait, what?
Oh, same place.
The
It's the
same
same
thing.
place. It's the same
Uh,
place.
okay.
That's crazy.
I thought they would automatically like scramble it though. Yeah. Wait. What?
No, that's
No.
all
Okay.
right. That's probably like an error. It's probably like an error right there.
A hotel. Um. Hmm. Hmm.
I've stayed at this hotel, but I forgot where it was.
That's bad. uh,
Okay, this is not the coverage I want, but this is not bad.
I don't even. How do you? Can you? I can't move here. So like someone of me
I
can
can't
move,
move
someone of me
around.
can't.
I don't know where this is.
So is it what the person has to upload these? How does?
Yeah. Wow, I'm dead. All right. Okay. Let me change the map.
Yeah.
So the thing there came out a couple months ago.
Mm-mm.
All right. I see one by Tequila Banana, but I just feel like this one's gonna be good. GeoChat. Let's try this one. Okay.
Mm-mm-mm. Oh wow. Oh, this is a good one.
um,
Hold on. How do I navigate? Oh
pressure.
yeah, hold on. Where am I? Oh. So bush.
Okay, we can move in this round.
I don't think that helps much.
Oh, bro, bro,
What?
you don't know where this is,
I went to this last week, bro.
bro, bro.
You know where it is?
No, you don't know where it is. You did. You did. You did. Oh gosh, I was here like 2 weeks ago. Hold on. It's like here. Like here. Yeah.
I
It's
think I
like
went
here,
here
bro. It's
like
like
2 months
right,
ago.
exactly right here,
Hmm.
bro.
Did you 5K it a while ago?
I tried to. It would have been a 5K on a world map.
Oh,
Wow, this is a
this is
drone
really
shot,
nice.
bro.
What the hell is this? Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Bro, I go here all the time, bro. I gotta learn about kickstand today.
Oh, that's side dub club side. Hold on. If I don't click,
Not a
wait, where
5K.
is
There we
yours?
go. There we go.
Oh,
That's more like it.
oh. Hold on. Where is this?
This one is a little rough. I think I know where I am though. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I know where.
Oh, you're closer. All
Yeah,
right.
bro, that's Ochi.
Not bad. Oh, yeah, I got
Like in the
Ochi too.
tone. No, but it's like in the tone.
Another drone shot.
Oh.
Okay. Yep.
Wait, how do I?
Yeah. Look for you now, no.
Yeah, I was just like, wait. That's the question is, how close can I get it though?
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah. Damn.
Okay. Hold on.
Wait, can I move? Dum, 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 dum.
Oh, that was my babe.
I was wondering, you know. I was wondering. Where is this again? Oh.
Funky. A funky Kingston now. Oh, you didn't pick up that it was my bay? Channel.
No. Oh, some sharp thing is there?
Bro, there should be a map with the Kingston. I need to create a map. That's what I need to do.
So how do you create one?
I would have to figure it out. How to create a map on GeoGuessr. Community Jamaica. Create map. I'm creating it right now, but it might take me a little while to create it. All right. Oh.
Mhm.
I don't know what to do from here. Lol.
I just want to play another one. I don't.
Okay.
Mm.
Let me switch the map. Although that one wasn't bad. Still, can't lie. Let's try this one.
Mhm. Um. Mm. You know where this is?
Low key.
I have like a general. Bro,
Sun to the
what?
south.
That's Porty, but
Sun
if
to
you're
the south.
driving,
Bro,
what?
bro. The compass was off.
Bro, but just look at
I don't know where this is exactly, but
let's not play this game. You're already dead, bro. So you're already dead, bro. You are already dead. Uh oh. Think.
morning
Where is it?
sunrise. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
Hmm.
Morning sunrise. Oh, it was
Mm,
Ochi. Wow.
yeah. I saw like the houses on the hills.
I need a map with the coverage that they did 9 months ago, but I don't know how to pull it.
Mm.
So the next time we play, I'll have that sorted.
Okay.
Is it me? I could probably do Kingston, Jamaica, see if that does any hits. No? Let's try Kingston. No, all the Kingston is Massachusetts and Canada and whatever. Yeah.
Mm.
Alright, bro. So what are you doing? You want to play more or you want to take your nap?
I can play like. You have any more Jamaican ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can play like one or two more. Mm. Mm. I can
Okay, so we've
also
done
eat
these three. I could try this
eat
one.
any. Wait, I was saying about the fruit, the smoothies. If you're serious about that, I'd suggest buying the frozen fruits from Ice Mold.
Yeah, I have them in the
Yes.
freezer.
Yeah.
I combine it with protein powder.
Mm.
Okay, we found the coverage, guys.
Hold
Oh,
on.
he is now dead.
Where
He
is
is now
this?
dead. Okay, a joke still. Actually, I think I know where this is. Loki Hikey.
Uh,
Watch greatness.
ah, oh,
Okay. Oh, which
done.
map was this? I need to save this map. It uses the Nova Core coverage.
Mm.
Yeah, bro. Oh
Where
gosh,
was
you'll
it?
never be able to beat me on this.
Mm.
All right, just slide. Cause where is this?
uh,
We're a little bit cooked, but that's okay. Calm down, Esmeralda. That's such a funny joke. Bro, you don't know where this is. Free this man. He's probably up here somewhere. Channel. It was St. Catherine.
Oh wow, I thought it was like Stony Hill side. I guess
They
that's
need
not
to
far.
fix. They need to fix how they. I think the way how they guess is not within the country; it's within the world. So you barely lose any points. So we might be playing this for a while. Oh, they still have checker coverage in this map. Okay, I'm gonna create a map with just the
Mm,
Nova Core coverage west.
mm, I don't know how does this make sense, bro. There's
I don't know where this is, bro. This map is bad.
yo, that's crazy.
Mm.
What Saint Mary? Damn, how would you? Yeah, oh yeah, the points are. Yeah, this doesn't make sense, bro. This is gonna be never ending. Uh oh,
Bro.
I know. Oh, I know.
Oh gosh. Watch this 5K, bro. Watch
Hold
this
on.
5K. You watching? You watching the 5K?
Are you watching?
you you watching?
Are you watching?
You need to watch, bro.
Mm.
It's my backyard, bro. Bro, oh my god. You're dead. Where exactly? You don't even know where this is. Well, it's okay. I just need 5 seconds. Okay. It's probably like here.
Oh yeah, what? Oh, this is a Mandeville Highway.
Yeah,
Oh.
bro. I drive that so many times I can't even count.
Hmm. I can
This
see
is
the
black.
face of these people. What the hell?
This is black. GeoGuessr. What the
This is what?
hell? Sorry, it
What
was black
happened?
for a sec.
Oh, oh. I don't know.
White people. Bro. What the hell? Where is this? I don't know where this is.
You see them throwing her in the water.
I don't know where this is.
So it was. What's that? Oh. This game isn't gonna end.
Round 20. You still gonna lose. Don't worry yourself.
Mm.
Alright, I know where this is. I need to just create a map with the Nova Core coverage and I'll be good. I know where this is. I just need to figure out where exactly. Alright, so it's somewhere here, right? Like here. Somewhere like here. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad.
Mm.
Morning sunrise. Oh, I should have got down a little more, but it's okay.
Mm. Oh. That's
Barely
it.
missed 5K.
Oh.
Bro, you don't know Kingston better than me, bro. First of all, why you go in the mountain? Why you never go in the mountain? This guy has a very nice phone.
What's the oh, the quality?
It's a B.
Oh, you were way
Alright, so
off.
that's the thing with those phones. The compass is flipped. It's weird.
Mm. Mm. Hmm. You know where this is?
Yeah, I was trying to get it locked in 100%.
Mm.
Bro, you need to travel the country, bro.
Mm.
Bro, are you just doing that out of spite? I feel like you're doing that out of spite. This guy.
Oh, whoa,
Somewhere
I
here.
see it now. Damn. I was so wrong. So did the Girl Beach Club thing after I said Jano. Jano.
It's a nice house. Mash them down, loose. Bro, you're on this thing again.
Oh wait, I just guessed wrong still. I see. I think I know where it is now. Wow. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah. Like I was like, wait, but it's very hilly. It does look actually more Kingston.
It's closer to my side.
Mm. Oh wait.
I know that.
I
I know this hill under.
do know this place.
Right.
Hold on. Oh,
Hold on.
I do know this place.
Okay, I know where I am.
Oh.
Hold on. Yes. Yes, we're up though. We're up. Oh gosh, you're dead. Hold on. It's so fun to like play this round because we've driven on these roads, you know.
Yeah.
Nice, not bad, not bad.
What's that noise? That's a
Tie.
5K? Oh.
No, almost. Okay, so this is the best Jamaican map we've played so far, but I don't want these coverage. I just want the Nova Core coverage, and the TEF coverage is kind of sucky.
Oh, this doesn't make sense, bro. There's like nothing here.
It's clearly an attraction of some sort, as the rumble. Where
Yeah. Mm.
Jam West. I've never been to Jam West.
Oh, I did see Jam West, but I didn't know where it was.
You done. You done. Okay, this one is better. This coverage is better. But anyways, you done. Because it has to be here. Like maybe like right here. Wow, you're close. Not bad. I know exactly where we are. Let's see to find it. Um, you don't know where this is. What you? All right, I just stop talking because you're only doing that because I said something. It's gonna be a 5K for me still.
Where are you? Oh,
Lyndhurst.
damn.
No, bro, these are my roads, bro. Not this one. This is not my road at all. um, not my road at all. But the other one was. You don't know where this is, so he's just dropping something on the map. Wow.
You want to know how I got that one?
Yeah.
I'll tell you after. Where is there? Bay. Oh, damn.
Finally, the points are coming down. Islands in the stream. That is what we are. Sail away with me to another land, and we will have another. From one lover to another. 5K, not bad. We both got 5K. You're quick with it though.
I just saw Port Royal and I just clicked.
Okay, so they kind of messed up the impositing the direction on this, but that's okay.
Yeah. It's what the hell?
Yeah, they really messed up the direction on this. The sun is even to the north. I don't know where we are, bro.
Westmount? Damn. Damn.
All right, final round. Where the fuck is this? Sorry for cursing. Okay. I know where it is, but I don't know where it is, you know? You're closer. Blue Lagoon. I've never been there.
You should go there. It's nice. Pretty nice. Hold on. Where is this? Oh.
Islands in the stream. Da-na, that is what we are. Da-na-na-na-na.
You know where this is? What?
Yep. Sail away
Oh,
with me
that's just wondering if it was
to
there, but
another
it
world,
couldn't make it
and
out,
we
bro. I was
go
like, it made me feel like you're driving by
another,
Palisado. Jano.
from one lover to another.
Jano.
GG's.
GG's. Yeah. That was good, yo.
What I say
That
that,
was
man.
good. That was good, yo. Stream, thank you guys for tuning in, and peace.